Today's Nature Journal activity is called Use Your Senses. First, go to your nature spot and settle in. If your nature spot is indoors, make sure you open a window. Then, close your eyes and pay attention to all of your other senses. Sometimes we notice things we otherwise wouldn't notice when our eyes are closed. What do you hear, feel, smell, or even taste? Finally, write 5 sentences about what you smell, feel, hear, and taste, not what you see. If you need some ideas, I've provided some sentence frames, but feel free to be creative and descriptive in your writing. For example, instead of saying, "I can hear the wind," maybe you could write something like, "I can hear the leaves rustling in the trees from the wind." Enjoy your time in nature.